Hello, this is Attorney Eckler Mercy, and this is your Mercy Minute. Today, we're going to talk about significant others. Now, this is a topic that is important in criminal law cases as well as family law cases, mostly family cases. Significant others, that new boyfriend, the new wife, the new husband, the new girlfriend. All right, there is going to be a question in which either asked or you're going to be asked, hey, do you want me to go to court? All right. And to that, I say, no. No, you don't want to go to court. If you ask him, before you ask him or her, if they want you to go to court, I want you to look in your house. I want you to look at your house, and I want you to find a chair. All right. Find that chair and then have a seat. Okay. There's several chairs in your house, several seats. Why? Because it's not about you. You don't like her. She don't like you. They have actually come to an agreement. Okay? There is an agreement. That's why there's a court date. Okay? Or if there's not an agreement, there's an issue. That's why there's a court date. What's your purpose? But not to aggravate the issue. You know what? Oh, you want to give him moral support? You want moral support? Text him. Text him some support. Leave him a voice note. Voice note him a support. Sing a song in the voice note. And when he gets out into court, you know what? If there's a break, you know what? I'm going to look at my phone. What kind of moral support? No. Okay? No, you sit down. You look around at your siéntate. All right? In your casa. Sit down. What are you doing? Why are you going to go there? And then for what? For what? For what? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? Fellas, all right? You knew he wasn't anything. She told you. That's why y'all together. All right? He's probably not a good father. That's fine. But what is the speech going to do? But nothing. Nothing. It's already a tense situation. You know why? Here's a lot of people are in denial. If you're in denial, here's the test. All right. If that person's ex, all right, you want to know if you're going to affect the case. If that person's ex name is stated, what's your reaction? If you hear the name, what do you do with your face? And if your first reaction is, or that means, sit down, have a seat. This ain't the time. You want to have speeches. I have seen hearings go smoothly, and then a finger goes up. Why? Because he wants to say something. What you about to say? All right? I've seen cases crumble. You know what? You need for closure. You need to be heard. You know what that does? Billables. It adds billables. All right, that's what it does. It adds billables. I'm trying to help y'all here. Sit down. You want to know, oh, the attorney said I could come. Yes, she said you could. That doesn't mean you should. Think. If you're gonna be in the courtroom and you finna hit this beatbox, like, sit down. Seat. Have seat. You sit down. All right? You want closure because your speech finna change their heart. All right? You about to tell them how great of a father you are to his child in open court. And that's going to have a positive reaction on him in open court. Yeah. Think that through. Oh, the attorney said I could. Yeah, like I said before, that doesn't mean you should. It doesn't mean you should, right? You probably helped with the retainer. He's not going to tell you no, but guess what? I will. No, sit down. Sit down. Oh, you want to know what happened in court? You want to know what happened in court, right? Here's the thing. Here's the thing. There's a court reporter. Pay for the transcripts. Pay for the there. I fixed it. You pay for the transcripts. All right. You don't have to get the play-by-play from him and then confirm the play-by-play with the attorney. Again, wasting billables. You know what? Just wait for the transcripts, and then you can read it at your leisure. But that whole let me go to the court for what? You know the problem. You know there's an issue. Stop. Nothing can come from it. Okay? As attorneys, we can't tell you, hey, this is going to either affect or we don't know what's going to happen. So we tell you what we can, which is, yeah, you could. But should you know? Sit down. Have a seat. Dang. That's your Mercy Minute. Goodbye.